Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to empty the pods in an Nespresso Citiz coffee machine. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So as you can see right here, whenever you use the Nespresso Citiz coffee machine, you're going to put your pod in here, close it, and brew the coffee. Now the pod will stay right over here, loaded in that spot, until you open this again. When you open this again, essentially, that right there allows the pod to fall down into the capsule holder. So the pod will only fall into the sort of like the disposal unit over here. I think that's what I'm going to call it, the disposal unit, when you open this after the brew has finished, okay? So you brew your coffee, the pod is sitting there. When you open this again to load in your next pod or just to open it for fun, the pod drops down into here. The used pod drops into here. So I'm going to close it. Now the pod is loaded right here. To empty the pod, you want to grab this by the tray and pull this out, okay? And I'm using my fingers to support underneath here, okay? As you can see. So once you've removed it, as you can see over here, let's bring it into another spot of the counter so you can see a little bit better. Once you've removed it, the pods are right here and this top part can be removed. So I'm going to lift off the top part, as you can see right over here. Whoop, there that goes. I guess 2 hands is better than 1. So the pods actually sit in here with a grate. So you can empty the pods like that. And then the extra water and coffee drips and coffee grinds that fall out will be on this tray because they're going to go through those grated bottom sides right there. And that's basically it. Once you're done, you can load that back into position like this, and then you can put it back in place like this, just like that. And you're ready to go once again. You can fold this tray up or down, just like that. The table can go up if you want a big cup, or down if you want a nice small espresso cup like that. And that's literally it. That's how to empty the pods in this machine. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.